welcome to Car Guy Fridays. Today we're bringing you a video of a 2004 Mazdaspeed Miata. Some would say perhaps the most perfect Miata that Mazda's ever made from the factory. The only one that's ever been turbocharged. The NA, the NB, the NC, the ND. This was the only one that got turbo treatment. This is like the ultimate, probably Miata from the factory. The NC is a boat, as we all know. The NA is a great car, but it's super slow. I mean, if this had pop-up headlights, that'd be an easy yes. But the fact this thing's so stiff from the factory, it has the racing beat sway bars, Bilstein dampers, it's turbocharged, 6-speed transmission. This is the ultimate Miata to me. Essentially, this uses the BP4W motor that came in the NB1. They did not use the VVT engine, they used the BP4W. It's got a small IHI turbo. The engine, it makes like 178 horsepower, I think is what it was rated at. But I mean, I think we all know it's turbocharged, so it's like you turn the boost up, you put a downpipe on it, you're making over 200 horsepower, which at that power level, this is still crazy reliable and super fun. A really interesting valve cover. These valve covers are really cool. It actually says 16 valve dual overhead cam turbo, which I don't know, to me that's just cool. The transmission, apparently, I mean, like, I don't know if I've ever seen this confirmed. I don't know if anyone's ever taken it apart, but shot peen gears. The diff is a little beefier and it has larger axles. These headlights, this is a Mazdaspeed thing. They're smoked, which is different than all the other MB2 headlights. So that's kind of cool. The front chin spoiler is also a Mazdaspeed only thing. Let's kind of look in the interior a little bit, because there are some interesting Mazdaspeed bits on the interior. You had floor mats, the Mazdaspeed floor mats, these sills right here, which are cool. Red stitch seats, which is a little different than all the other NBs. Other than that, it's pretty much a regular Miata. So Mazda recently said that they're getting rid of the Mazdaspeed name. Their CEO or whoever at Mazda said, we're never making another Mazdaspeed car. So the fact that this car is a Mazdaspeed Miata is probably the only Mazdaspeed Miata we're ever going to get. So in the 2 years they made it, 04 and 05, I don't know what the production numbers were, but they didn't make a lot of them. These cars are going to ascend in value like crazy. So the little Mazdaspeed bits on this car, like that rear view mirror cover there that is literally color matched to the car, I bet you those little bits in the future are going to be just like the Mazdaspeed oil caps, like a couple of years ago, 40 bucks, now $300. Like it's getting ridiculous. But yeah, any Mazdaspeed bits that you have now, hang on to them. A couple of years later, I mean, you're going to be like rolling in money, like you're going to be rich. So that's just my advice to you. But this is Brian's car. You all have seen his FD. His 911 turbo. Brian couldn't be here today because he's on quarantine. His wife got COVID and he's stuck in the house for 2 weeks, so here we are, we're out here. He put, let's see, what's he got done to this? He's got a downpipe, which you can't really see, mega squirt, because the stock computer on these cars is absolute crap. And his actually failed. His computer actually went bad. So it was either put another factory computer in it or put a Mega Squirt. That's an easy decision. Greddy Type S. Not many mods in the engine, but it does have a Greddy Type S. Anyone that has seen Fast and the Furious has probably seen that blow-off valve. That's an amazing sounding blow-off valve. Second to only the HKS Super Sequential. His license plate, life is too short to drive boring cars.
Alright, here we go. Let's see what she's got. I had a little trouble finding third gear there. Just listen to that Greddy Type S going off. And if you're right there where the turbo's ready, it's very responsive. Below that, it's definitely a little lacking, but not bad. Yeah, super fun car. Super fun car. Lower horsepower than, you know, like if you have a car that makes so much horsepower, you can't put your foot to the floor all the time. You have to really pick and choose your spots. With this car, a lot of the time when you're going through corners, you can just have your foot all the way down, which is fun, you know, like it gives that visceral feel, like you really feel like you're going faster than you are. You know what? I'm gonna pull over here and put the top down. It's a nice day. We've had the top up. Let's put the top down. That's the way the Miata was meant to be driven. And let's show you how easy it is. There's two latches here. You know, if you have a Miata, I think you already know, but this one here, this one here. Boom, tops down. That's it. That's it. It's that easy. And then you just turn the heat on, put it at your feet, and now I got the top down. And this is the way the Miata is meant to be driven anyway. This is just a better Miata than an NA. I mean, yes, it does not have pop up and down headlights, and that would be great if it did, but it doesn't. It's still a better Miata than an NA, at least in my opinion. Here we go. Speeds are going up in price like crazy. There's a little backfire from the exhaust. And the Miata is infinitely more enjoyable with the top down. Mazda really hit a home run with the Miata.